Hey everybody, today we're going to start a new segment called Prop Talk. I think that's accurate. I think that'll work out cool. I got a bunch of cool stuff to show. So today, let's see. Today we're going to talk about this bad boy. Oh yeah. I made this many moons ago. This is the Orc hammer from World of Warcraft. And this was a fun project. When I first got a 3D printer, I saw there was a file for these little guys. Let me see if I can focus on that. Come on, camera, focus. So there's these little things and this little bits here. I 3D printed those, and this little bit here was 3D printed also. I can't tell you the name of who did it because it was literally like, gosh, 8 or 9. No, it was more than that. It was 9 or 10 years ago. But yeah, this thing, it turned out super cool. I've had it forever. All it is the handle is a piece of PVC pipe, painted to look like wood. I don't know if you can see that. The handle is actually, people are like, oh, you did such a nice wrap on that handle, you know? And it's not true. It's a belt. I got a belt from the thrift store and wrapped around it, and it looks super cool. All these little bits are furniture sliders, you know, things you put on the bottom of the feet of your chairs and couch and stuff. I just painted them and shoved them in there. And the main body of this is actually foam with, oh, what's this stuff? And the main body of this is actually foam, foam block, you know, layers of foam here. And then I shaved that, both sides. That's a couple layers of foam. And I covered it in Warbler. I did just glued on the pieces to get the shape. And then I heated up Warbler and, you know, kind of did one of those numbers and made it all fit. And I dig it, man. It turned out cool. I braided up a little doodad there, and it weighs not even a pound, you know. And yeah, that's my Warhammer hammer time. So there you go. That's today's prop talk. Go make something.